Hello everyone, in this video I will show you my collection of LED replacements for high intensity discharge lamps. So here we have lamps and here we have boxes, and as you can see, so these two lamps are from Philips. This one is from LEDvance, and this one is from VTAC. And this one is the only one which is plastic and which uses SMD chips which are under these white and plastic three places, here and here and here. And these three LED lamps uses this filament technology. So in these three lamps we have these yellow filament strips, and I have created one video about this LED lamp and one video about this one, and the link with these videos I will put at the end of this one. And next videos about this LED lamp and about this one I will create in the near future. These three LED lamps have IP65, but this one is the only one which has IP only 20, and IP is international protection, and these two numbers means this. This first number is the level of protection from the other objects and from the sand, and this second number is the level of protection from the water. And these three lamps have pretty high numbers, but this one has this second number 0, so this plastic LED lamp has absolutely 0 protection from the water. Okay, so this is my collection of LED replacements for high intensity discharge lamps. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and bye.